Hello, you guys. My Bath and Body Works candles finally arrived, and I'm going to open them with you. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, you all. So let's go with this one first. They look like they smell good because I ordered them online. So they look like they smell good. So I'm going with what I know. Now, I love the sweet pea spray. So I got the candles. Well, a candle. Smells good. Sweet pea. A little late birthday present to myself. Laundry dry. Now, I always, like I said, I'm going with what I know, y'all. I'm like the fragrance, the spray, the house spray. And I always use this for my house, the spray. Smell it. Laundry spray. Smells so good. Smells like laundry spray. The Febreze. Going. This one, I know for a fact how it smells. Japanese blossom. Japanese cherry blossom, to be exact. This brings me so much joy, you guys. I've been down, and these arrived. This brings me so much joy. So much joy. The little things, y'all. Woo, the little things. Y'all just don't know. Some of y'all may know the little things. If you down and out, treat yourself to something. If it's just a piece of chocolate candy or a donut or a good movie, and drink some coffee or cocoa, what have you, a pick-me-upper. So I'm trying to find my way, y'all. Champagne toast. Now, I never had this before, so I think my son just got me the lotion, but I have not used it yet. So I'm trying to see what this smells like. It's like a fruity. I like the fruity smells. I don't like the spices. I don't like the spices. I don't like it. I don't like the spices. And these were, I think they was $9.99. Yeah, the sale. And it was a coupon. Peach Bellini. Smell this. I like anything peachy. It smells good, y'all. Get a whiff of that. Oh my goodness. I like how the jar, it comes in the jar. Beautiful. I like that. Love that. One more. This is the save the best for last. Mahogany Teak Wood Intense. Some people say it smells like men's, and it does. It's like a men's fragrance to me. And my husband, he uses this too, so I got this for him. But you know, but this smells so good. Oh, just a refreshing smell. Yes, yes, yes. And that's all the candles. I could have got more, y'all, but I was not trying to be greedy. I was letting other people, you know, enjoy the little sale they had going on. What, last week? Week before last. That's everything. That's all of them. Turn it around just a little better. Got 6 of them. And that's the candles. There we go. Y'all be blessed. Have a nice day. And if you're going through something, you guys, pray about it. Keep yourself busy. Keep your mind busy. So you won't just be sitting there idle and thinking and the devil coming through, you know, giving all them bad thoughts or what have you. Keep your mind busy, okay? Because that's the first thing the devil will attack. That's your mind. You make sure you keep your mind busy, okay? Y'all be blessed, and you guys make sure you stay safe out there. I love you.